Hello everyone, Michelle here, and welcome back to my kitchen. I have another wonderful cookie recipe for you today. Another one of my Aunt Grace's delicious cookies, and this one is her molasses cookies. And these are nice and tender and moist and chewy. They are so good. They are slightly sweet with a kick of spice. I think you're gonna love them. Let me go ahead and show you how to make them. You wanna make sure to stay till the end because I have the full recipe at the end. So you can stop the video and either take a screenshot or copy it down. Let's go ahead and jump into these delicious molasses cookies. Preheat your oven to 350. We're gonna start by mixing our dry ingredients. You need to start with 3½ cups of all-purpose flour. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. You can mix your dry ingredients by sifting or simply using a large whisk. Mix until everything is well incorporated and your flour doesn't have any large clumps. We're now going to cream our fats and sugar. You'll need to start with 1½ cups of shortening. Mix the shortening until it is fluffy. Slowly add 2 cups of white sugar. Once your shortening and sugar has been mixed, add 2 eggs. Add eggs one at a time. Scrape down the side of the bowl to make sure that everything is well mixed. Add ½ cup of dark molasses. Beat until fluffy. Slowly add your flour mixture. Mix only until your flour is fully incorporated. Make sure not to overmix your dough. Drop even teaspoons on an ungreased cookie sheet or silpat and space your cookies about 2 inches apart. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Cookies will be done when they are slightly raised in the oven. I love my Aunt Grace's molasses cookies. They're slightly sweet with a kick of spice. They go great with a cup of coffee or hot tea. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's cookie tutorial. My Aunt Grace was a great cook and an awesome baker, and I'm very fortunate to have some of her recipes. Thanks so much for stopping by. You know it's always a pleasure to see you. If you enjoy cookie recipes, make sure to check this one out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.